Well, the Taoiseach, like Sinatra, did it his way, and now the end is near. Taoiseach, the government whip went on the radio on Saturday and sang a song. It was a fitting way to round off what was a most musical week in Dáil. Did not half of your cabinet spend the week, Taoiseach, accusing poor Minister Shane Ross of not showing sufficient RESPECT for the views of the Attorney-General? The stage trapdoor opened, and as Joe O'Toole went hurtling down, he could still be heard singing out, "A spoonful of sugar helps the medicine go down." As for the Taoiseach, well, the Taoiseach, like Sinatra, did it his way, and now the end is near. And if Deputy Griffin has his way, he soon will face the final curtain. Taoiseach, my question to you today concerns water charges. I'll start with a confession, Taoiseach.
Now we have a little order, please.